Good morning, guys. This is Brian. Once again, I welcome you to watch me and let me discuss today about the squeezing method and trimming. Okay, it's an important part of hedging in wolf trading strategy. Okay, if you keep buying and selling at in a hedge, right? We will have a point. There will be a point. Let's say this is my buy. Okay, we start from here, and then this is my sell. Okay, okay, okay. This is my sell. I will make green line for my buy. Okay, okay. Okay, let's stay. We start here. Okay, let's stay. We start here. Okay, the price go up, but we still holding the hedge, right? Because we are anticipating it that the real move is down, right? So your hedge will left you behind, right? This is also the thing we discussed from yesterday, that a hedge can be able to lock your profit and at the same time lock your loss. So this is the when it comes it times there's a times that we are locking in profit that we cannot even move, right? It's like lock. We cannot even move, okay? So let's say the price is we are anticipating the downward movement, right? So the selling actually stop here. We keep getting the greens, right? We keep getting the greens. We keep getting the greens until somehow there's a point that it was really on the bottom part somewhere here, right? It's the distance of these two of this buy and this sell is, let me measure it. Let me measure it so I can discuss it to you guys. The distance. Oh, where is that measurement? Where is that measurement? Hold on. Oh, here, price range. Okay? From here to here, right? Is around 14,600 pips, right? 146 $146 difference, right? Okay. So, if you observe, okay, if you observe this area, the difference is like acting as spread. A spread not from the broker, a spread from your account. Let me put here, okay? Let me put here. The difference, let me type, hold on. Difference of buy position and selling position is acting like a spread on your account. Okay. Yeah, I put it here, right? There will be a big difference because you keep getting the green. You getting the green, yeah? And then afterwards, there will be a point that, let's say we go here, right? There will be a point. Let's say we don't know the next candle, right? The next move, okay? Let's say we stop here, right? Okay, I will move all the letters. Okay, let's say we don't know the next move, right? And then my buy area is at 4144, and then the sell instead of buying around here at the support, we know that 4,000 is a support, right? Instead of buying here, we hedge. Yeah, we accidentally hedge, or we don't know if it's going to drop more, right? This is actually the reason, because we see a very big red candle, right? We cannot trust our position, right? So what we do, okay? We know we know this is a support. Okay, let's say I know for myself, but I have doubt because there's many people telling that gold will go to 3,400 or something like that. We look in a more bigger time frame that it seems like it's going that way, right? It seems like going that way. So what will I do? I will hedge, right? Same position, same lot from my buy, same lot from my sell, okay? But now that we have a very big difference between the two, right? Okay. So let me mark it. Let me mark it. This will be, we know it's a support, but we have a doubt, yeah? Somewhere like this, okay? Okay, support. Support. Okay. Actually, in the rules, on the support, we should put buy. You guys all know that, right? You guys all know that. In the support, you should put buy, right? Okay. Now we have like this, okay? The price, okay, I will update the price now, okay? Let's say about around here, right? Okay. Okay. The price, okay, from here, right? The price is still not touching the support. Actually, we should touch the support. Where is that one? It's supposed to be here. Actually, it's wrong. It's supposed to be here. Why my cell? The question is why my cell is there that candle haven't touched yet. Yeah. Okay, let's place it around like here. Okay. Sorry. I start wrong. Okay. I start wrong actually. Why the cell is there? The candle haven't touched it yet. Yeah. That's the thing. It's like it jump, right? Let's say this one. I was thinking is a support. There's a big difference. Yeah. There's a 2% difference from my buying position and my selling position, right? And I believe 40-40 is a support. Let's say it's a support, okay? Okay. Now we go forward in the future, right? Okay. From here, right? From this area, I see bounce, right? From this red candle, I see bounce, and then another red candle, and then pin bar, and then bounce. So I believe, oh my God, I place as a hedge here or somewhere here. You place very bad hedge, right? Very bad sell. This is the thing about that. This area is instead of you putting the buy at the support, you did put sell just to because your priority is to lock, right? And it happened, right? As we observing, we are at the support. Price bounce at support, and then some red candles again. Pin bar, show pin bar, price bounce again, right? And you were predicting, oh my God, I believe it's going to buy. I believe it's going to buy now. But I cannot remove my sell, right? I cannot remove my sell because it's quite too deep. I cannot even break even, right? Now, the squeezing method will come in. Okay? The squeezing method will come in. This is why I want to discuss to you about this squeezing method, okay? What will I do? Let's say in here I have I have no, not the box. I want to draw in the line. Draw the line. Draw from the line. Yes. I have one lot. Sell. Okay? And then from here, I have also one lot buy. Okay? One lot buy. Okay. So they're fighting each other, right? The market will not do anything on your equity, even though what market will do here, right? Or anywhere, because you have hedge, right? But you cannot even earn as well, right? You cannot earn. It's like luck. It's like I told you, hedge is like a luck. Okay? What will I do for me to make some money, okay, is I will squeeze. What do you mean you will squeeze? I will try to make this distance, this area, okay, this area to become shorter. To become shorter. Okay? Without me, how to say this, without me closing big loss. How can you do that? How could you able to do that, right? There's a big difference on the squeeze, on the distance, right? But how can you able to squeeze the distance of your buy and your sell without closing anything? Okay. This is the thing about risk management. This is the thing about risk management. This is the thing about risk management and how you handle your lot size according to your equity in your account, okay? That this is the reason why I ask you guys to start very few hedge in the beginning and very small lot. Don't hurry, don't rush. Okay? You must take the equity how the account can handle the drawdown. Okay? Okay, from this point, what will I do? From here, right? We start here, right? Let's say it's here. I see a pin bar, right? I'm anticipating, oh, it's going to rise. It's going to rise, right? So what will I do? I place buy order here. I place buy order here. You guys understand now? Let's say I'm anticipating this to buy, right? I have two buy, one very bad place buy, and one at least in the bottom, right? And one sell. Because I was anticipating a buy will happen. Okay? So what will I do? Okay, price rise, right? Price rise. Look at the candle, guys. Look at the updating candle, right? Price rise, right? So it's and then when I see it 4140, something like that, very close in our original position, very close. I will forward this. I will put here, right? And then this one also. So you guys can be updated, right? And then this one. Okay? From here, what happened is I instead of this sell is tie up with this first old buy. Now this new buy is tied up with this sell, right? And what happened now? I try to break even. Or at least close very small loss on my buy. While before I am hedged, I use the new trend, new movement upwards, retracement, so you can say, I use the new retracement for me to lessen the drawdown on top, right? While this one is green and this one is red, but these two become new pair, while this one is acting break even or starting to get lesser loss. So what will I do if I see this one, right? For 140, oh my god, I am so near in my target, right? And then I see a red candle, right? So it's not bad for me to close because I already made money out of the sell. Do you remember, right? We are hedging, right? Move up, move down, right? And this move down, I made money already. That's the reason why the sell is here. You remember, guys? That's the reason why our sell are here. I made money out of sell. So how to make money on the buy now, right? Either you use this one to take profit, to take the green until here, or break even this one. Break even the lessen or break even this one. Okay, so what will I do? If we are here now, I will remove it. I will close it. Okay, I will close it. I will remove it. And so, why squeezing? Why squeeze? Did you see what happened to the next step? Did you guys happen to the next step, guys? The distance between my buying and my selling is not that big anymore. It will become like this now. Okay? So, it will become like this, right? it will become like this. It become like 0.64 something instead of 7 or somewhere here, right? Big number, right? It becomes like this, yeah. Okay? In hedging, remember, in hedging, there is two ways to make money. Okay? I will type here. In hedging, there is two ways to make money. Number one, getting greens, meaning your transaction, you will close transaction in greens. Number two is lessen your drawdown, meaning if you lessen your drawdown, you also gaining. You also gaining a position. You gaining greens. Meaning, let's say number one, getting greens. Meaning to say you keep closing the greens, right? We all know already about that. That's the basic, okay? Number two, lessen your drawdown. It means you try to minimize making the drawdown or the risk less, okay? Than what the market, how to say this, than previously, yeah. You try to make your small drawdown, okay? I hope I explained to you about, guys, squeezing method, okay? But okay, I give you another example. Let's say we go far, okay? I remove this again, okay? I give you another, guys, example, okay? Okay, I give you guys another example about squeezing. Okay, maybe I'll forward this one very far, okay, very far, okay, very far, okay, okay, maybe here. Actually, this one is a very good example, you know. I tell you later on why. Okay, let's say we are swinging, right? And seems the trend is changing, right? This is the thing, right? Firstly, let's say from here, right? From here, we buy. Let's say I put green, right? Here. Just start it from here first, okay? And then we sell. Okay? Okay, I make a green, right? Okay, from this point, from this point, right? Our sell is a win. We keep getting it and we rehedge it, keep getting it, and when we rehedge it, keep getting it, and then we hand it until we reach this point, right? Same again, 4,000 line, right? Same again. And we are too late. Again. Oh my God, why did I put my sell on a very bad place? Right? And your buy, you put your buy on the very bad place, right? You know, in trading, there is a saying, right? They always say like this, right? We should buy low and sell high, right? Wait, I put down. Buy low and sell high. Yes, this saying actually is truth. Yeah, if we are one side, right, we should actually in trading position, for you to win is buy low and sell high. But what happened to our position? The buy become the high, the sell become the low, right? It's the inverse. Because why it happened? You keep getting the greens. You already took the buy low sell high position, yeah? You think you already took the buy low sell high. The sell high position you already took. That is why you are already in the bottom. right? Now you're in bad position on the both side, right? On the both side. Okay. So what will I do? Okay, from here again, right? I don't know, right? But I see some bounce. Okay, again, I forward this one. I get some bounce, right? Bounce. Okay. Oh, I believe there's 40-50 seems acting like a support. I see a pin bar here, some doji, and then green candle, and then some small red already, meaning this downward momentum is decreasing, right? And then some pin bar here. Oh, okay, some pin bar here. And then when I see that, I know some weakening. I will use Heikin-Nashi and everything and level, right? What will I do? I will place buy, not sell. I will not add any more here, okay? Because this is already not good position, but I will add buy for me to earn, okay? For me to earn, okay? Okay, let's change it to buy. Okay, going forward. Oh, this candle win. This one is tied up, right? They all have same lot, guys, okay? I didn't change anything. So you will become from this position, that's why it's called squeezing. You will become two buy, one sell. So meaning to say, you are more on the buy side than the sell side. You understand, guys? The squeezing meaning you are anticipating a more heavier side than the other, even though you are planning to hedge. I hope this is clear. Okay, so you're anticipating. It's like you are trading also, but you are more on the other side. Okay, any mistake on the other, let's say this one push down, right? This buy a push down, I will close it immediately. Immediately, I will put break even on this because I don't want to have another headache for me to hedge. I hope you guys understand the idea, right? I will try to be careful on the third order. Why? Because if this one against on me, it will double. It will become double on my headache. So, what will I do again? Let's say it comes, if it didn't go in my plan. I need to put another hedge from here. Let's say clone, right? I need to put another hedge for him to tide up, to balance again the account. But anyway, I hope you get the idea how to get out on that squeezing also, right? You will add the same. You will add the same. How many is open on the other side? Okay. Now we anticipating to go up. Go up. Oh, go up. But oh, yeah, lucky. Until how many days? From June 11 to June 15. It's 4 days. You waited 4 days, right? You waited 4 days. We are going up. So, what will I do? What do you think I will do? Should I make money on the top buy? No need. I try to break even this one. This is the thing. This is why you guys see me. I show you my red is very small, but my greens have a lot. Why? Because I try to break even all the bad position as much as I can. Break even. Let me get out, and then place another good proper order at the low or proper order at the high. I try to do this. The buying low at low and selling high. Okay? I try to do this because this is how to make money. On one side trading, yes. Yes, actually this is on the proper way of trading. This one is the one way to make money. Okay? Okay, I give you another example, okay? Okay. Let's say you again miss the chance. Again, okay? You are really like, I don't know how to say. Maybe you're not watching the price for a few days. You go for a vacation somewhere, and you have, let's say, you have buy here, right? And sell here, okay? Let's say you, on your buy, you didn't do anything, right? Let's say you didn't do anything, right? You have zero 0.5, okay? You have here, you also have this, is another idea, okay? Another way also, right? Let's say you didn't do anything, right? Let's say you have 0.5 buy, 0.5 sell, okay? But when you realize the price is around here already, right? Around here already. Oh my God, I didn't squeeze. I forgot to squeeze. Oh my God, the price leave me. Now it's trying to break even my buy, but I cannot even remove it. Yeah? I cannot even remove it. But you have space. You have the space, right? You have the spread. This is what I'm saying. You have the space here, right? Around 6% difference, right? What you can do to squeeze this, there's another way. There's also another way. You need to only be clever. You need to only be clever, okay? I will tell you what's the secret. Okay. I will tell you what's the secret. Now we are talking about here, right? We are in the middle of empty space of with these two, right? What will I do? I will place another buy, another sell. But for how many? Another sell. I will give you the reason why. Okay? I will place, let's say 0.1. 0.1, right? Okay, let's say 0.1 from this point. From this point actually. And then 0.1. So my total now is 0.6 lot. Open lock hedge, right? My total now is 0.6. I have 0.5 here, 0.5 here, 0.1, 0.1. Okay. Why did I do this? Why did I add a hedge on the middle of the spread? What do you think is the reason? Because in this area, I already took money, right? You remember? I cannot make any money anymore because it's empty space, right? It's like empty. It's void. Whatever the price going to do here, because I am locked, I cannot do anything, right? What will I do? For me to earn money, even there's a void in the middle. Okay. I place buy and sell again in the middle. Okay? And then price go up. 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 Right? Let's say here it go up. It go up. So these two buys now become a win, right? Making money, right? Okay? And then I will look for support here. Resistance here. I will look for watch me, guys, okay? We begin here, right? The price leave me. I cannot squeeze anymore, right? There's an empty space. Empty space between my first buy and my first sell, okay? There's a between empty space. That's what we call it void. We cannot do anything. We don't lose money, but we cannot earn money. We lock ourselves. So what to do? What to do? How to get out? Place buy and sell in the middle. This is the thing. I will put. If you okay, I will put. Place buy and sell in the middle of your old hedge. This is my old hedge. This 0.5, this 0.5, right? I place new buy and sell in the middle, right? So, once again, it was perfectly locked without much difference of the spread. So the calculation will be like this. Okay? The calculation will be like this. You remember, guys, first one, okay, when we have like this, the first one is 6.14% negative, right? Difference, right? It will become like this, guys. It will become like this. One is here. This space will be divided into two. That's the thing. This space will be divided into two. Okay? I have shortened it. Instead of direct different distance between my buying and selling, I have shortened it. Okay. Before, my buy and sell difference is 6%, right? Wait, let me get the before one. We start here, somewhere here, right? Around 6%, around 6%, something like this, yeah? But on this new calculation, look guys, okay? On this new calculation, in every buy, okay? In every buy, the distance will be divided into two. Instead of one big huge chunk void, we make it a small void. You can do that just to add another buy and sell. Okay? Okay, now, what our objective is the price should be above on any of the two. Let's say the buy, right, is trying to go buy. The price should be above any on this buy, and then we place sell on top. Okay, number 2. Price should go above any of the buying position or below selling position. Okay. The price should go high if we are looking in the buy, okay? In the buy side. The price should be over on this 0.1 and 0.5, okay? Forget about the sell first. 0.1 and 0.5, okay? We should go high, okay? Above, so that we can remove these two in green. Look, okay? Oh, now when we are here, these two buy are positive, but these two are negative, right? So is this for 350 is a resistance? Okay, let's say it is. Let's say it is, right? Let's say it is. Let's say this is a resistance area, okay? What will I do? I will remove this buy. I will remove this buy. What is the rules? Once you remove, once you see a resistance, right? Maybe a box, maybe a box. Once you see, guys, the resistance, right? Place sell on top, right? Place sell on top. So, let's say 0.5, I have 0.5 very bad shape. 0.5. I have in the middle, I have 0.1, right? Maybe I will put around, I don't want to add great, right? But at least I will try to, let's say 0.4, 0.5, let's say 0.5. Same as lot as this, right? Or okay. You can do this. You can order this. No problem. Okay? You can put another order here, or do you remember the rules before? Or lessen the drawdown, right? You can make greens, right? This is one is trying to make greens because I place another cell here. But I don't want, let's say for this scenario, I don't want to add another heaviness on my account, right? Let's say on this scenario, I don't want to add any more cells. I took the buy, I don't want to add any more cells. I'm losing on the cells. So I don't trust cells, okay? But I believe this is a resistance. I believe the price will retrace here, okay? So what will I do? Okay, leave the position as is. I have 0.5 on below and 0.1 on the middle, okay? Leave the position. I didn't even order here, okay? Okay, now let's go to the future. Go down. Okay. Okay, price ranging here, right? Okay, we are still here in this box, right? Oh, give red, right? Give red. Okay, continue. Still waiting. I'm not break even yet, but the drawdown become lessen. Yeah, it go down and then push down. Yeah, look. I will try to forward so we can see the price what's going to do. Okay? Okay? Now this candle start to break even my point 1, right? Okay? This candle start to break even my point 1. Okay? And then again range again here, right? If this candle start to get point 1, you can get out also, right? You can get out also. But anyway, let's say we hold. Let's say we really hold. Okay? Look what will happen. Okay. From this very point, did you see? From this very point, okay? I didn't add any more order on the top, okay? This is squeezing and trimming method, okay? From this very point, okay? the sell has break even, right? This point 1 make money, right? In the make money on the other side. We make money also in buy, in which the 2 buy has been cleared as well when we go reach on the top, right? Also, we win also at the sell, the big time sell here. This is the reason why the sells are here. The last sell are here because we have made sell here, and then we made the buy. We didn't make the buy because why? We are too late to squeeze. What we do, we try to how to say this, make a space again between the distance of the buy, you remember, and the sell. Make the range usable in our account, because once we don't do that, it won't be usable. You understand, guys? So I place buy, you remember, I place buy point 1, I place sell point 1. So this range become usable for me again on my account. And then afterwards, when the price go up on the top, I get those buys, right? But I have sells. You can place another sell on the top. You can place here, no problem. You really greedy and then you want really to make some money. Okay, go ahead, no problem. But for me, let's say I want to become a conservative. I don't trust my losing position, right? At least I want to break even, right? Okay. We go down from here, right? From here, we still holding the cells, 2 cells, yeah? We get out from the buy already. Okay, we holding, and then boom, the sell power show here, right? 2 candle, and then again, we still hold. Then boom, this point 1 become positive now, right? And then boom, another one. This one is break even. Okay, guys, I hope I explained to you what about the squeezing method and trimming, right? Trimming is we are trying to break even all bad positions. Squeezing is we squeeze the distance between the buy and sell position, okay? We try ways to lessen the risk, to lessen the drawdown. This is the thing about squeezing method and trimming, okay? Hope you guys find this useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please continue to participate in our thread at Forex Factory, guys. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.